In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king. Gone are the days of standing in long queues, filling out endless paperwork, and waiting for weeks on end for approvals. Now, thanks to the power of the internet, you can apply for a Bajaj EMI card from the comfort of your home at any time of day or night. No more wasted time, no more frustration, just a seamless and efficient application process at your fingertips. But the benefits of online applications extend far beyond just convenience. They also offer a level of privacy and security that traditional methods simply can't match. With online applications, your personal information is protected by advanced encryption technology, ensuring that it remains confidential and secure throughout the entire process. So, you can relax, knowing that your data is in safe hands. Before you dive headfirst into the application process, it's important to ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for a Bajaj EMI card. Like any exclusive club, there are a few ground rules for entry. First and foremost, you need to be a resident citizen of India, at least 21 years young but not a day over 65. Think of it as the sweet spot for financial responsibility. Next up, your credit score is your golden ticket. A healthy credit history demonstrates your ability to manage finances responsibly. Finally, a steady income source, whether from a job or a business, is essential. This assures Bajaj Finserv of your capacity to make timely repayments. Meeting these criteria paves the way for a smooth and successful application journey. Just as a craftsman needs the right tools, you'll need a few essential documents to complete your Bajaj EMI card application. Don't worry, it's nothing too complicated. First on the list is proof of your identity. A PAN card, Aadhaar card, or voter ID will do the trick. Next, you'll need to provide proof of your address. This could be a utility bill, bank statement, or rental agreement. And finally, to verify your income, keep your salary slips for salaried individuals or bank statements for self-employed individuals handy. These documents are like pieces of a puzzle that, when put together, paint a complete picture of your financial standing. Now comes the exciting part, the actual application. The process is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, guiding you through each step with ease. First things first, head over to the official Bajaj Finserv website or download their mobile app. Look for the EMI card section and click on Apply Now. You'll be greeted by an online application form. Fill it out with accurate and up-to-date personal, financial, and employment details. Once you've reviewed and submitted the form, you'll need to upload scanned copies of the required documents. Don't forget to double-check for clarity and completeness. With a click on the Submit button, you've officially thrown your hat into the ring.